So here's how to change age on Tinder. Keep in mind that you cannot change the age once you create your account. But before we start, if you don't already have Tinder, you can click on my link down in the description. So in order to change it, you will need to start over again. So as you can see, we're now in our Tinder application. From here, let's head over to Profile on the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on Settings on the top right corner. After that, you need to scroll all the way down. Once you're in the bottom, you will get to see an option that says Delete Account. Tap on it. From here, tap on Delete Account on the bottom. After that, select a reason and tap on Delete My Account on the bottom to confirm. Now, choose from any of these options to create a new one. I will go with phone number and then type it in and tap on Next. Then, you need to enter the verification code that you receive on your phone. After that, tap on Next. Now, you need to add your email address over here. Just type it in, and once done, tap on Next. Now, you can tap on Skip on the top right. After that, tap on Next. Now tap on I agree, then set your name for your profile. So after tapping on Next, you need to set your birth date. This is where you need to make sure that you put in your proper birth date. So change it and set it to whatever you want. Once you're done, just tap on Next. Now, just go on with the usual procedure and you're good to go. And that is exactly how to change age on Tinder.